Module 5, Course Review. This final module will provide you with a general overview of the main points in the previous modules. It will help prepare you for your final quiz. Module 1 provided you with an overview of the course and an introduction to airside driving. You learned many definitions such as aerodrome, the difference between airside and groundside, what a restricted area is, and most importantly, what AVOP stands for. We also introduced you to some driver and airport terminology such as operational stand, apron, runway, vehicle corridor, pushback, maneuvering area versus movement area, and many more. In Module 2, we covered safety as it applies to airside driving. We discussed airside prohibitions, the do's and don'ts of driving airside, different hazards you may encounter while driving airside, and how to report hazards, incidents, or damage to aircrafts. Module 3 taught you about the rules and regulations of driving airside. You learned about the importance of daily checks and inspections, who has the right-of-way on the ramp, and were introduced to the various signage and markings that you will commonly encounter while driving airside. In Module 3, we also covered procedures for parking a vehicle airside. Module 4 went over the 5 steps to obtaining your AVOP, including this training, classroom training, job shadowing, written test, and driving test. This concludes our airside driving introductory training. We hope that you feel a bit more prepared to continue your journey of obtaining your AVOP. Remember that this training is not meant to replace any other AVOP training, but rather provide you with an introduction of driving airside. When you're ready, please continue to the final quiz.